Watch each of the images in this class. Then, listen and repeat.
To eat. To eat. To drink. To drink. Food. Food. Drinks. Drinks. Breakfast. Breakfast.
Lunch. Lunch.
Dinner. Dinner. Snack. Snack. Food for breakfast. Food for breakfast. Bread. Bread. Butter. Butter. Cheese. Cheese. Ham. Ham. Jam. Jam. Fruit. Fruit. Food for lunch. Food for lunch. Food for dinner. Food for dinner. Salad. Salad. Kidney beans. Kidney beans. Rice. Rice. Pasta. Pasta. Meat. Meat. Beef. Beef. Pork. Pork. Lamb. Lamb. Chicken. Chicken. Fish. Fish. Drinks. Drinks. Water. Water. Juice. Juice. Coffee. Coffee. Tea. Tea. Milk. Milk. Wine. Wine. Beer. Beer. He's very hungry. He's very hungry. He's very thirsty. He's very thirsty. I eat bread with butter for breakfast. I eat bread with butter for breakfast. You eat bread with cheese and ham for a snack. You eat bread with cheese and ham for a snack. You eat bread with jam for breakfast. You eat bread with jam for breakfast. I eat beans, rice, and beef for lunch. I eat beans, rice, and beef for lunch. You eat pork and rice for dinner. You eat pork and rice for dinner. I eat fish for dinner. I eat fish for dinner. You eat lamb for lunch. You eat lamb for lunch. You eat chicken for dinner. You eat chicken for dinner. I eat pasta for dinner. I eat pasta for dinner. You eat salad for dinner. You eat salad for dinner. I eat fruit for a snack. I eat fruit for a snack. I drink juice for breakfast. I drink juice for breakfast. You drink milk for breakfast. You drink milk for breakfast. You drink water for dinner. You drink water for dinner. I drink tea for breakfast. I drink tea for breakfast. I drink wine after lunch. I drink wine after lunch. You drink beer after dinner. You drink beer after dinner. You drink coffee after lunch. You drink coffee after lunch.
You've just learned the main vocabulary and grammar to talk about what you eat and drink in a very simple way. Now, it's time to review it. Watch, listen, and repeat again. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, food, drinks, bread, butter, cheese, jam, ham, fruit, pasta, kidney beans, rice, salad, meat, beef, pork, chicken, lamb, fish. He's very hungry. He's very thirsty. Water, juice, coffee, tea, milk, wine, beer. I eat bread, cheese, and ham for breakfast. You eat bread with jam for breakfast. I eat lamb for lunch. You eat chicken for dinner. I drink tea for breakfast. You drink wine for lunch. I drink coffee after lunch. I drink water after dinner. Now that you've learned the vocabulary of this lesson, watch this video 2 more times. The first time, listen and repeat. The second time, listen and copy what you hear. What did you think about this lesson? Did you like it? What new words have you learned?